Hello, hope you bear with me. BS deadlock. Unlike a lot of lockpicking you'll see, this one's actually going to be in the door. I don't know if you can make it out, but it's a pretty standard deadlock. It's BS 3261, but it's 1980. The only real difference in this and modern locks is that it's not got the 20mm bolt. It's got a hard plate on it. It's got all the anti-pick notches. You can see it's got the anti-saw balls in the bolt and the gizmo. Right, now we're going to close this door. I'm going to set you up down here. It's not bad, is it? Let's see. What we need to do. Okay. It's a bit more central. Sorry about the wiggling. I hope it's not making you fussy. Okay, right, I'm going to lock this door. She's now locked. It's a bit trickier picking a deadlock on a door. The one problem you can have is if the bolt's a bit tight on the plate on the door frame, it's difficult to get your attention while you're trying to pick. So this is probably a little bit more realistic than in a bench or in a vice, because this is what you're going to get. This is what you're going to come to somebody's front door, they've lost their keys, they've left the deadlock on. What are you going to do? You've got to pick it, you've got to work out what type of lock it is. I know what type of lock this is. I don't know, it's sort of square notch levers inside of it, a bit like the RA, but not the same. It's not the same picking order. So here we go. We'll have a little pick at it and see how we get on. I've only ever picked this once before. It was quite some time ago, so I thought we'd make this as real as possible and have a go now. I might make a bit of a fool of myself. Here we go. Okay. Let's get this in right first before going further. Okay. See, you've got to go through the door and then interlock. It's always trickier. Okay. There it goes. I won't do that until straight away I've lost my pressure on it. I want to hear it tapping in gate. outside, the cold, don't want to get back in the house, you're under pressure. 6 minutes 35, come on. When you said you could go back in. Oh, and did it without destroying their lock. And what I'll do is just remove this a second to show you what we've done. We'll pull the pick out of the levers, hopefully without damaging the pick. Of course you wanna be careful. Okay, there she comes out intact. And if we can do, we can have a look now. I'm hoping that they're not tricked. Okay, and you can see that's a lot back out again. I was going to wiggle it in and out a bit, but I think you get the gist. We've unlocked the door, we've got through it, we've picked it open, we've got them back in. Job's a good one. You've earned your money this night, my friend. Okay, that's all from Olympic Locksmiths in Birmingham. This goes out to all you guys, especially if you're doing warrant work. This is the kind of thing you've got to come up against, and this is the kind of thing you've got to tap with. You know, you can't be doing any damage to property, so you have to pick locks. And you know, this is what we're all trying to do. I'll leave you with that, and hopefully we can show you something again next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.